Grok AI is no longer free, and the subscription for Super Grok costs $30, which is approximately 48 or 49. Some people even say 50k in naira, and that's a bit expensive, most especially for new creators that are not yet monetized. To be honest, most people that use Grok are people doing faceless content, maybe storytelling and all of the above. So in this video, I'll be showing you some alternative you can use instead of Grok AI. The first one is CapCut. Let me show you how you can use CapCut. I'm generating an image using ChatGPT, so I can use the image for this tutorial. This is the image. I will save the image. Let me save the photo, and yeah, this is the photo. Go to your project, click on the image right here and swipe down till you find AI dialog scene. So if you don't have CapCut Pro account, you won't be able to use this feature. So click on AI dialog scene. And one thing about most of this AI application is they are not as fast as Grok. I think Grok is still the fastest application you can use. So this one takes time, and depending on your network also. We are working on talk or sync. And another thing about CapCut is that you can use your own personal audio. If you don't want to use the AI audio, you can use your voice. So you click on or add voice here and record your own voice. You just have to record your voice before doing this, but that's not why we are here. So I'll click on this here and enter text. Let me just give it a random text. Let's say, so this is it. So let's tell it to generate this. So he said estimated credit needed is 15 credits, and I have 1,142 credits. So of course it's enough. So let's click on generate. So he said it will consume 13 credits. Before it estimated 15 credits. Yeah, let's click on confirm, and let's wait for it to generate. So it's almost done. Let's wait for it. I'm generating, and this is what we get.
I work for my money. I work for my money.
So you can see that the voice is not as realistic or natural like Grok AI. The voice CapCut give you might still sound robotic somehow. Do you understand? But you can always make changes in the voice section. Do you understand? You can change it to more human in the voice section. And the next one is Queen AI. I don't know if it's pronounced Queen or not, but it's Queen AI. Queen AI is actually good. You can't just compare it to what Grok will give you. So let me show you how you can use Queen AI. So you can download the app or do this through your browser. I use my browser. I just search Queen AI and then sign up. So this is my Queen AI, and then this is what I have right here. So you click on this plus sign here to import your image. Click on create video, and then it will give you different ratio. Let me import my image. So let's use this image here. So this is it, and now let's paste our prompt. So this is my prompt, and I'll add a little bit more edit to it. Let's say the woman wearing, so it can identify who the mother is, because AI can be very funny. The woman wearing a blue shirt. So I'll just bracket this. Yeah, let's space this out. Now this is it. So let's run. Let's run it. So it's generating our video. Let's wait for it to generate. Our result is ready. Generated our video. So let's see what we got.
Have you finished your assignments for today?
Yes, Mom. I've done all of them in time.
Have you finished your assignments for today?
Yes, Mom. I've done all of them in time.
So you can see it's not bad. It's not bad at all. You can actually use this, and you can generate like few videos in a day, but it has limitation. You understand? You can see it's not that bad. So if this video has helped you in any way, don't forget to drop a comment, or if you have any question you want to ask me concerning this video or any other application, you can always do that in the comment section. And don't forget to like this video, and most especially subscribe to this channel so that you won't miss the tutorials I'll be posting. The next tutorial I'll be posting will be about how to subscribe to Super Grok for a less, and very affordable price, rather than paying $30. Do you understand? So watch out for that video. And that's all for today, guys. Bye.